Welcome to MyHostel.pk. Let's walk you through how to find hostels by city, schedule visits, and book your stay. Start by scrolling down the home page to view the list of cities. Click on any city to view hostels in that area. If you don't find your city, scroll further and select it manually. To schedule a visit, search for a hostel using the search bar. Once you find the hostel, click the Schedule Visit button. Select the visit date, time, number of guests, and reason. Then submit your request. To request a hostel booking, click the Booking Hostel button. Fill in your check-in and check-out dates, your role, student, Jobian, or both, along with institute, city, and reason to stay. Add any additional requirements and submit the request. You can view detailed information about any hostel by clicking the Hostel Details button. Here, you can also choose to join as a guest or as a hostelite by filling out the relevant form. Finally, to confirm a booking, scroll down to the Rooms section. Find an available room and click Book Now to confirm your spot. That's how simple it is to find, visit, and book hostels through MyHostel.pk.